In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Dropbox link, whether you're on the mobile app or the website. This is a fast way to let someone view or download a file without sending big attachments. I'll walk you through the process and point out a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, open Dropbox. You can use the desktop app, the mobile app, or go to the Dropbox website in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the account that contains the file you want to share. On the website, you'll land in your Files view. In the app, you'll see your recent items or folders. Next, find the file you want to share. Browse through your folders just like you would on your computer, or use the search bar if you remember the file name or type. You can share almost anything: documents, images, videos, PDFs, even a whole folder. Take a second to confirm you've selected the right item, especially if you keep multiple versions or similarly named files. Now click Share. On the website, you'll see a Share button next to the file name. You can also open the Files menu and choose Share there. In the app, tap the file, then look for the Share icon or the option labeled Share in the menu. This opens the sharing panel, which is your control center for links and invitations. If a link hasn't been made yet, click Create Link. Dropbox will generate a unique link for that file or folder. This usually takes just a moment. If the link already exists, you'll notice there's no need to create another one. Dropbox will simply show you the option to copy it. While you're here, you might see indicators about what people can do with the link, like view or download. We're focusing on the link itself, so you don't need to adjust anything unless you already know you want different settings. Finally, click Copy Link. Dropbox places the link on your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere: email, chat, a document, or a calendar invite. When someone opens it, they'll be able to preview the file in their browser and download it if allowed, even if they don't have a Dropbox account. A handy tip: paste the link into a new browser tab yourself to verify it opens the correct file. Another benefit is that the link always points to the latest version you saved to that same file, so your recipients stay up to date automatically. And that's it. Open Dropbox, find your file, click Share, create the link if needed, and copy it. You're ready to share quickly and confidently.